Jai Srimanarayana, dear devotees. We are so happy that yesterday you joined in Sri Sundarakanda Parayana. About 1,000 people were able to join and chant along with us. And today we are going to conclude with Pattabhisheka Mahotsavam after chanting from 49th Sarga. We are going to chant until 68th chapter, then few more chapters of Yuddha Kanda, then we conclude with Pattabhisheka Mahotsavam. And all auspicious things fallen together. Sri Rama Pattabhishekam, Sri Krishna Janmashtami, and our host Dr. Chandragari's birthday. Let us celebrate all these together. Please join us. Within few minutes we are going to start the live, and you all can have the book. I am going to show you, display the Telugu book. If you have your own book, you can have it or you can follow us. Once again, happy Sri Rama Pattabhisheka Mahotsavam and happy Sri Krishna Janmashtami to one and all. Last month we celebrated Sri Krishna Janmashtami according to Smarta Sampradaya, Shravana Bahula Ashtami. And today we are going to celebrate according to Simhamasaya Site Bhakshe Rohiniyam Ashtami Tidhav. Wherever Rohini Nakshatram falls in Simhamasa, that is Sri Krishna Janmashtami according to Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya. So once again, Sri Krishna Janmashtami and happy Sri Rama Pattabhisheka Mahotsavam. This is Pitrupaksham, Mahalaya Paksham. So to please our ancestors, let us chant Sri Sundarakanda Parayanam. Jai Shri Narayana.